Welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, let us learn about fundamentals of science, basics. This is for all competitive exams. Thousands of years back, the ancient Indian scientists, they are the enlightened rishis, declared that the universe is made up of 5 basic elements called Panchabhutas. Panchabhutas are Akash, that is space, Vayu, air, Tejas, fire, Aap, water, and Prithvi, the earth. Around 500 to 430 BC, Empedocles is a Greek philosopher, and Aristotle around 384 to 322 BC said that there are 4 basic elements of matter: fire, water, air, and the earth. According to modern science, matter is made up of elements, and element is a substance that cannot be reduced by ordinary process and is made up of particles of same kind. According to ancient Indian philosophy, human body is a mini universe and is also made up of 5 elements called Panchabhutas. Maharshi Kanada, also popular as Kashyapa, was the first person in the world to declare the theory of atom called Anu or Anu, means atom, much before 600 BC. He declared that an atom is indestructible particle of a matter. He is honored by the world as father of atomic theory. He wrote Vaisheshika Sutras that give glimpses of atomic theory. His book describes dimension, motion, and reactions of atoms. Then later, Democritus, Greek philosopher of 560 to 470 BC, said an atom is that which cannot be cut further. The matter around us, including the earth, consists of compounds made up of different elements in different combinations. For example, the innermost zone, the core of earth, consists of heavy elements like iron. The outer layer earth crust consists of light elements like oxygen, hydrogen, carbon. Best example, sand of the earth crust consists of silicon and oxygen. Human body is also made up of elements, basically carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen in different proportions, like oxygen 65%, carbon 18.5%, hydrogen 9.5%, nitrogen 3.3%, calcium 1.5%, sulfur, sodium less than 1%. Proteins and DNA are the most significant and essential molecules of human body. With regard to atoms, Dalton, in the modern age, Dalton of 1803 gave a modern theory of atom and declared that atom can neither be created nor be destroyed. But of course, this principle is not relevant now. All the atoms of elements are same, his second principle says, and he also declared that atoms of different elements differ. The mass of an element is fixed. Dalton was born in 1766 in England in a poor weaver's family. He never married but concentrated his entire life exclusively on the research work. He died in 1844. He propounded his famous theory on atoms called atomic theory in 1803. He declared that compounds are formed by the combination of different elements. He published a table of relative atomic masses and was corrected in 1858 as there were some errors. Dalton suffered from protanopia, inability to see red color. This defect of sight became popular as Daltonism. Coming to molecules, molecules are made of atoms. Example, a molecule of oxygen contains 2 atoms of oxygen. A molecule of ozone contains 3 atoms of oxygen. Molecule can be defined as a group of atoms held together by chemical bond but lacks electric charge. Molecules are neutral and do not carry any charge. The geometry and composition of molecule determines its chemical and physical properties. Molecular size varies depending on the number of atoms that the molecule is made up of. Molecules, when formed with same atoms in different geometric arrangements, are called isomers. A molecule may be homonuclear or heteronuclear. Homonuclear, which means the molecule consists of atom of one chemical element, example oxygen. Heteronuclear molecule is composed of more than one chemical element such as water. A molecule is formed when two or more atoms of an element chemically join together. If different types of atoms are formed into one group, it is called compound. Water is both a molecule and a compound because it consists of two different atoms. Compounds usually consist of molecular units. All compounds are molecule, but all molecules are not compounds. Simple molecules are those in which atoms are joined by covalent bonds. Complex molecules are made up of carbon bonded with other elements, generally oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen. Best example, sucrose is bonded with carbon, oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Macromolecules are large molecules formed by polymerization of small subunits, monomers. Example of macromolecules are biopolymers, protein, carbohydrates, etc. DNA is a very large molecule that contains many atoms. Powerful microscopic techniques such as electron microscopy or scanning tunneling microscopy are used to see atoms directly. That's all in this video. All the best. God bless you.